Unit 4 Soundoffs. 5 kingdoms of all living things, plants, animalia, and fungi, and protista and monera. Each kingdom subdivides this way: phylum, class, order, family, genus, species. Roots and stems bring water to the plant and draw the nutrients up from the soil. Roots and stems bring water to the plant and draw the nutrients up from the soil. What are the 4 components of all flowering plants? They all have roots and flowers, they all have stems and leaves. In flower pollination, a plant stigma receives the pollen from the same type of plant, creating seeds. Trees can be divided into 2 groups. Some stay evergreen, deciduous lose leaves. We call it photosynthesis when the leaves of a plant make food with sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide from the air. Oh, a mammal has warm blood. A mammal has some hair. They're vertebrates who bear live young and then nurse their young with milk. Warm-blooded vertebrates covered with feathers. Beaks, bills, and wings make these egg layers special. The hollow bone structure of most kinds of birds make them light enough to fly. Fish are cold-blooded vertebrates covered with scales that breathe in the water with gills, and they breathe oxygen in through their gills. It's a reptile, a vertebrate that breathes the air, has scales and mostly eggs. It's a reptile, a cold-blooded animal. What'd you say? It's a reptile, a vertebrate that breathes the air, has scales and mostly eggs. It's a reptile, a cold-blooded animal. Invertebrates, including worms, echinoderms, and arthropods, sponges, and cnidarians, they all have no backbones. Cold-blooded vertebrates, known as amphibians, breathe through their slimy skin or lungs, glug, glug. They live a double life, on land, in water too, these salamanders, toads, and frogs, glug, glug.